In this video, I'm going to be showing how I mass convert TIA portal tags to ignition. So why you need to do this, because in my devices here, you see I have an Allen Bradley type device, and then I have I have 3 Siemens, but I'm only using one right now, one for the example. If you go to your ignition designer, you see this is a Siemens tag. So it's written differently. The tag export that you do, like for example, show all tags. If you export this, I'm not going to export it, but if you export it and open the file, it looks like this, right? And you can't just directly import that into Ignition. You have to convert it. But for Allen Bradley, it's easier, because as soon as you're connected, I'm not connected right now, but as soon as your Allen Bradley device is connected, your tag, like I didn't put these here. These tags are automatic. The tags automatically just show up, which is real nice. But for Siemens, it's not. It just gives you this. So you have to manually create your tags. Now, you can teach ChatGPT. You can be like change this, change that. Because for example, as I was saying earlier on Ignition, when you have to manually create your tags, and they're worded a little bit differently. Like the memory bits are MX30, so that would be like the address would be M30.0 on my TAA portal. For outputs, it would be like QX30. For inputs, it would be IX30. But for like memory words, it would be like, say I had memory word 10, it would be memory word 10. Say I had IW10, it would be IW10. So you can teach ChatGPT based on what, nope, this is the right one. You can teach it. I have a few different tabs open here, but you can teach it. You can export. What I did, my method was, like I exported these tags. Again, I'm not going to export them, but export these tags to like what they're supposed to look like, right? Let me just put this all on the same thing, right? So this is roughly what some things may be wrong in here. I don't think they are. Yeah, no, they're not. Some things in here, I mean, this obviously looks different than the Excel file, but you can teach it. You can drag and drop this file in, recognize it, blah blah blah. Each, like, it learns this, it learns that. You also have to teach it that you can't put a period in your ignition tag name. It just doesn't let you. So if you have like periods in your TIA portal tags and you go to export them and then import them back into Ignition using this, ChatGPT will just automatically keep the tags named how they were from your import. But you need to tell it that you don't need any periods in your name. Change the periods to underscores. And for example, right here, you can teach it. You can teach it things, and it's if you're importing a crazy amount of tags, like I'll just show you here, especially if like for like a historian. You don't want to be importing, like there's a lot of tags that I'm just scrolling by here. You don't want to be importing that manually. So you can use ChatGPT to do it. So video tutorial fixed. What? Yes. So over the course of a few prompts, I have taught it. So I'll just show you my program that I exported already. So these are the tags that I'm working with. It's just a basic forward reversing motor. these are the tags. So I exported this. I exported that file right there, just right here. I exported it. Taught ChatGPT what to do, and then once you have it right, you may have to change things. Like I've had to prompt it to do better ways. Especially if Ignition gives you an error thing, you can normally just copy paste that error message into ChatGPT and it'll tell you what's wrong with it. So I'm going to download this. Okay. Anyways, I've downloaded that already, removed for some reason. Send me the same exact file again and rename it Z video tutorial. Download this, download your file, go to Ignition, go to your tags. I'm just going to delete this because I was just testing it, but you can see it's working. New tag, new folder, video tutorial. Oh, it keeps going in there. It goes in the file that I've selected. My mistake. Video tutorial. Import tags direct. You want to find your JSON file, Z video tutorial. Boom, they're active, right? And then you can also see since I'm live right now on this. I wonder if I have any memory bits I can change. Let me just go online. Oh yeah, I have a PV stop right there that I can change. So just minimize this. PV stop. Oh no, it's controlled by an HMI. What other tags do I have here that I could change? Oh, a dummy bit. I can change a dummy bit. Dummy, true. Dummy, false. And one last thing, I will just show you what the finished tags look like. So they should have, for, like I was saying, a memory bit should be MB1. A memory bit should be or whatever this is, memory byte 1. Memory bit should have MX0, MX01, memory byte. Let me find my outputs. Yeah, inputs should be IX, output should be QX. In the name, it is very important. Like I was saying earlier, you don't have any periods. You don't put a period. We don't want history enabled right now, but we can easily change that if we had an SQL server to mass import tags that you want to monitor as well. But I don't want to monitor all these tags, so I didn't choose to do that. Data type integer, data type boolean, etc. Anyways, you can do a lot of things very easily if you just follow a prompt. Like no one is going and writing, like, for example, in my other project that is not this, like I'm not doing 50, I'm not doing like 100 tags manually. Yes, I am going to not do that. So I think I'm going to include this prompt. We'll see how it is, though. We'll see if I can do that. If I can put the prompt in the video description, and then you can just add your own. tag file from Siemens to it. But anyways, that's the video.